Okay, this video is going to go over some of the basic plumbing hand tools that the average facilities maintenance technician is going to need to perform his job. It's nice to have an assortment of different size pipe wrenches, a pair of channel locks. This is a basin wrench, so this is helpful for getting up behind between the wall and the back of a sink to remove an old faucet and install a new faucet. This head on it pivots. This here is a pair of cutters for PEX pipe. Those work really well. This here is a crimp tool for crimping these crimp rings to PEX pipe. And that's how you install these type of crimp-on connectors. You insert your connector, and then you would slide your crimp ring onto the PEX pipe. And then you would use this tool to make that crimp. Some Teflon tape, thread tape. Something to note, there's tape that's specifically designed for gas lines. Usually, but not always, it'll be yellow colored. A good measuring tape. This here is for measuring water pressure, like at a hose bib. It has garden hose threads, so that comes in handy to check the pressure on a water line. These are removal tools, and they come in different sizes. This one's 3/4. So if you have a shark bite connector that you need to remove, you can use these guys to help you safely remove those. And then this here is for cutting like copper pipe. So those are the basic tools that I would recommend. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.